Hello students, hope you all are well. Today we'll discuss about LC oscillations and related some questions which was asked in the mains exam. So I hope if you give 3 to 5 minutes for learning this topic, then you can easily do the question in the exam. Now about LC oscillations. If a charge capacitor is connected in a circuit with nothing but an inductor, the energy stored in the capacitor oscillates between inductor and the capacitor. The stored energy oscillates between electrostatic energy and magnetic energy. In a circuit without any resistance consisting of ideal capacitor and inductor, energy will oscillate indefinitely with zero loss. Now, if we consider a capacitor having an initial charge Q0 and connected to an inductor L as shown in the circuit below. Since the capacitor is charged to Q0, now magnetic and electrostatic energy remains constant and is equal to initial energy stored in the capacitor. Meaning at any time t, Q square by 2c plus half Li square is equal to Q0 square by 2c. Now at any time, assume charge on the capacitor is Q and current in the circuit is I, then by Kirchhoff's law, we can write L di by dt plus Q by C is equal to 0. So we know I is equal to dq by dt. From this we'll get L into d2 q by dt square is equal to minus q by c. So if we solve this equation by integrating on both sides, then we'll get q is equal to q naught sine omega t, where omega is equal to 1 by under root LC. Since I is equal to dq by dt, which implies I is equal to I naught cos omega t, where I naught is equal to q naught omega. So the maximum current and charge in the circuit can be deduced as half Li square plus q square by 2c is equal to q naught square by 2c, which is constant. So for maximum current, q square by 2c is equal to 0, which implies I max is equal to q naught by under root Lc. And for maximum charge, half Li square is equal to 0, which implies Q max is equal to Q naught. Now this is the quick recap. So please pause this video and recap all the things whichever I have discussed till now. Now we'll discuss some previous year's sample problems which was asked in the mains exam. So first question is, in an oscillating LC circuit, the maximum charge on the capacitor is capital Q. The charge on the capacitor when the energy is stored equally between the electric and magnetic field is. So here four options are given. Here clearly given energy is stored equally between electric and magnetic field. So half Li square is equal to Q square by 2C. Now we know sum of this energy will be equal to capital Q square by 2C. So from this we can write small q square by 2c is equal to capital Q square by 4c. So if we solve this equation, then we'll get small q is equal to capital Q by root 2. So option B is the correct answer. Now the second question is, a fully charged capacitor C with initial charge Q0 is connected to a coil of self-inductance L at t is equal to 0. The time at which the energy is stored equally between the electric and magnetic field is. So here four options are given. Basically this is same type of question which was discussed in previous slide. So if we solve this question, then you will get option A is the correct answer. Now the last question is, an ideal capacitor of capacitance 0.2 microfarad is charged to a potential difference of 10 volt. The charging battery is then disconnected. The capacitor is then connected to an ideal inductor of self-inductance 0.5 millihenry. The current at a time when the potential difference across the capacitor is 5 volt. Here four options are given. So please pause this video and try at your end. Here solution is also given. If you try, then you will get 0.17 ampere. So option C is the correct answer.